in a season in my life where I cannot afford to not get it right. I cannot afford to not obey. I cannot afford to not pursue my purpose. I cannot afford it. I cannot afford it. I cannot afford to put on a performance. I cannot afford to disobey. I cannot afford to no longer answer the call that God has on my life. So if you've seen this video, I urge you, I implore you to answer the call. God is not a forceful God, but he is a God of dominion. He is a God of authority. He's the one and only true God, right? And in him being the one and only true God, and us saying that we believe in him as the one and only true God, it's either his way or no way. It's not my way, but it's Yahweh. In that, I encourage you